about expression. We will learn in this lecture what is an expression, and also we will discuss about arithmetic expressions. Let's start today's lecture. First of all, what is an expression? It is a statement that evaluates to a value. Then each expression will give only a single value after it has been evaluated. We will get only a single value result. There are two parts of expression. In each part there are number one is operators. Operators are the symbols which are used to represent some operation, and these are the operations which are performed on the values or variables or constant present in that expression. The first part is operators, and the second part of an expression is operands. Operand is the value on which these operators perform the operation. The operation can be of any kind. It can be a logical operation, it can be a arithmetic operation, it can be a unary or binary operator. So operands are the values, variables or constant which are present in an expression, and we can perform some operations using the operator in that expression. Now after this we will learn about arithmetic expression. What is an arithmetic expression? As you know, arithmetic means mathematical operations which includes sum, subtraction, multiplication, division, or in C case modulus, or we can say it remainder operator operation. So expression in which only arithmetic operators are used are called arithmetic operations. In these expressions, the operator would be can be plus, minus, subtraction, and division, and modulus, and multiplication. These are the operators which are used to perform arithmetic operations, and any expression that includes arithmetic expression and arithmetic operators is called arithmetic expression. For example, a plus b, a is a variable and b is also a variable. The operator is plus, which is an arithmetic operator. X divided by y, here division is the arithmetic operator, and x and y can be a constant or a variable. X plus 100, here plus is again arithmetic operator, x is a variable, and 100 is a constant or a value. Again y multiplied by 10, where multiplication is the arithmetic operator, y is your variable, and 10 is a value or constant value. So these four examples contain arithmetic operator, therefore we can say that these are arithmetic expressions. Now data type, output data type of an expression. Resultant data type of expression depends on the operand of the expression. Actually it depends upon the data type of the operands that are used in the expression. An expression with different data types operand is called mixed type expression. It is an expression in which we are using also integer data type operand or float data type operand. So these type of expressions are called mixed type expressions, and the result of these type of expression, which are mixed type expressions, is evaluated on the basis of large data type operand. The operand which has larger data type is the resultant data type of that expression. And here is a chart where if we perform operation between integer and float, int plus float, or int minus float, or int multiplied by float, or int divided by float, then the data type of the expression that will be result that we will get in the result will be a float. And if expression is int operand, have int operand and long data type operand, then always we get the result in long data type. And if expression has an operand of int data type and double data type, regardless of these operators, operator can be any operator can be used, but operand data type is matters. What matters here, int data type and double data type, then the resultant data type of expression will be double data type. Now expression, if expression is float and long double, then the resultant expression will be long double. Here you should note that again I am telling these operators plus, minus, subtraction and division does not matter in this case. The resultant data type of the expression always depend upon the data type of the operand or data type of the variable which you are using in that expression. Now there is another concept of L value and R value. Very simple concept. Just I think everyone knows about these values, but L value, it is the operand that can be written on the left side of assignment operator. Okay, left side operator operand value is called L value. It must always be a single value. You cannot add expression on the left side, it must be a single value. And R value, operand that can be written on the right side of assignment operator. Okay, all L values can be used as R values, but all R values cannot be used as L values. You can also read the L value as left hand side value, R value as right hand side value, right value. A constant cannot be used as R value, but it can be used as L value. For example, x is equal to 5, which is valid, and 5 is equal to x is not valid. Okay, you can write x equal to 5, but you cannot write 5 equal to x. So that's all for today. A very simple concepts about left value and R value, and some concept about expression and arithmetic expression.